Now at 10, some popular tourist towns are requiring masks indoors, and Block Island could be next. Good evening, I'm Shannon Heggie.
I'm Mike Montecalvo. The New Shoreham Town Council met tonight to discuss the possibility of enacting an emergency ordinance.
12 News reporter Rob Nesbitt joins us now in studio with what the island's medical director is advising. Rob?
Shannon, Block Island is currently the second worst place in the state for COVID transmissibility, according to the island's medical director, who joined town councilors Monday night to show his support for a mask mandate. COVID case reports will only get worse before they get better on Block Island, according to Dr. Thomas Warcup.
It's clearly starting to rise in our community.
The medical director for the town of New Shoreham says there have been 11 new positive COVID cases linked to the island in the last 2 weeks. That may not sound like a large number, but it alarms him when compared to last year.
We had 45 total known cases last summer, and we've reached a quarter of that in a 10-day to 14 period.
To stop the spread, Dr. Warcup is recommending Block Island follow suit with town officials in Provincetown, Massachusetts, where masks are now required to be worn indoors.
As distasteful as it may be that we're back at that point, I think it's something to consider, that masks indoors. And I think it would also help the proprietors that do want to support masks.
The New Shoreham Town Council heard his concerns, saying that they will have an emergency ordinance drafted by Thursday night. That's when councilors plan on meeting for further discussion and a possible vote to require masks indoors.
I want to throw out a message out there that we're serious. Block Island is not safer than any place else on the mainland.
Councilors also voted to have town manager Marianne Crawford work with the Chamber of Commerce to create a COVID action plan with businesses, as well as those living in congregate care settings where a high number of COVID cases have been reported. I reached out to Newport's mayor to see about mask mandates there. A spokesperson for her office tells me that the city has no plans to implement any new mask recommendations, and no special mask mandate meetings have been scheduled. Reporting live in studio, I'm Rob Nesbitt, 12 News.